Hey, what is going on, guys? I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card. Very easy, very similar to the Note 20 as well. All right. And once we put it in, we're also going to double check some settings as well. So first thing is go ahead and look on the top of your phone, and you should see a cutout of your SIM tray right here. And you see the little hole. Go ahead and grab your SIM ejection tool that you got out of your box here. It's basically stuck on there like that. If you don't have this SIM ejection tool, you can use another phone SIM ejection tool. You can even use like a thin paper clip or bobby pin or back of the stud earring. As long as it's thin, it'll work as well. Okay. Anyways, go ahead and put the needle into the hole. Give it a little bit of pressure till it pops out like a little bit like that, and then go ahead and pry the rest out. And let me go ahead and bring this over. Now you can see we have two slots here. Okay. Now you have one for the SD card and one for the SIM card. Now this is the Note 20 Ultra. If you have the Note 20, you only have one option. You can only put a SIM card in. You cannot put expandable storage like an SD card on there as well. Only the Note 20 Ultra. Okay. Anyway, so here's my T-Mobile SIM card. And what you want to do is you want to look at the tray here, and you see like a diagonal cut right here on the bottom left-hand side. So you just want to go ahead and match the SIM card just like that. So I'm going to put it in like this. I'm going to make sure it's nice and flush here. And what you want to do is once it's in flush, just turn it over. Make sure it's not going to fall out right away, okay? Now simply look back on the top here, and you want to match the hole to the hole on the tray itself. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this in really slowly, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and slide this in. Now you can see it says no SIM card. Let's see if it finds my T-Mobile here. Some carriers, once it finds a there's T-Mobile right there. Oops. I see T-Mobile right there. It may ask me to restart too, depending on what carrier you have. So give it a second here. So there's T-Mobile. Okay, so I see my reception bars right there as well. Now let me just go ahead and... Okay, so with the T-Mobile, for me, it's asking me to go ahead and restart your phone using the new SIM card. So it may not ask you for that, but let me just go ahead and restart, and then we'll go ahead and double check the settings. Okay, so it just rebooted. I'm signing in right now. Okay, so whatever my carrier had updates for, I mean, it's synced to the actual SIM card. So from here, what you want to do is just double check your settings. So let's go swipe up. You want to go into your settings here. And then from settings, you want to tap on connections right here at top. Let's tap on that. Now, because our mobile card is in and everything, now we have a new slot here. It's called Mobile Networks. Tap on that, and you can look through your settings here. You can see with my T-Mobile, they automatically toggled my data roaming on. You may want that off, depending if you get charged or whatnot. And you can see my network mode here. I got 5G LTE Auto Connect right here. You can see my network operators does say T-Mobile there. Anyway, I'm good to go. I'm ready to rock and roll. Pretty easy. Good luck, guys.